Welcome to English Pinglish channel. Let's get started.
Parent. Parent. Are they your parents? Are they your parents? Are they your parents? Question. Question. Did he answer all the questions? Did he answer all the questions? Did he answer all the questions? Minute. Minute. It's only 2 minutes walk. It's only 2 minutes walk. It's only 2 minutes walk. Seat. Seat. Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? Cafe. Cafe. Do you know what time cafe closes? Do you know what time cafe closes? Do you know what time cafe closes? Coat. Coat. Can I ask where you got that coat? Can I ask where you got that coat? Can I ask where you got that coat? Store. Store. Is that a store near here? Is that a store near here? Is that store near here? Time. Time. Sorry for taking up so much of your time. Sorry for taking up so much of your time. Sorry for taking up so much of your time. Office. Office. I'm usually here in my office. I'm usually here in my office. I'm usually here in my office. Year. Year. Didn't you go there last year? Didn't you go there last year? Didn't you go there last year? Dessert. Dessert. What is the best dessert here? What is the best dessert here? What is the best dessert here? Room. Room. How many rooms does this house have? How many rooms does this house have? How many rooms does this house have? Square. Square. What square is this? What square is this? What square is this? Attractive. Attractive. He is an attractive person. He is an attractive person. He is an attractive person. Expensive. Expensive. She has an expensive phone. She has an expensive phone. She has an expensive phone. Tall. Tall. She is taller than her mother. She is taller than her mother. She is taller than her mother. Clean. Clean. My house is always clean. My house is always clean. Beautiful. Beautiful. The painting is beautiful. The painting is beautiful. The painting is beautiful. Enough. Enough. 8 hours of sleep a night is enough. 8 hours of sleep a night is enough. 8 hours of sleep a night is enough. Some. Some. Give me some water, please. Give me some water, please. Give me some water, please. Dangerous. Dangerous. The team has a dangerous player. The team has a dangerous player. The team has a dangerous player. Red. Red. Wash my red pants. Wash my red pants. Wash my red pants. More. More. I like blue more than green. I like blue more than green. I like blue more than green. Fast. Fast. Do you work faster? Do you work faster? Do your work faster. Hungry. Hungry. The hungry baby is crying. The hungry baby is crying. The hungry baby is crying. Nice. Nice. The flowers have a nice smell. The flowers have a nice smell. The flowers have a nice smell. Size. Size. What size do you wear? What size do you wear? What size do you wear? Shirt. Shirt. Does this shirt come in blue? Does this shirt come in blue? Does this shirt come in blue? Style. Style. I don't like the style. I don't like the style. I don't like the style. Fashion. Fashion. This color is out of fashion. This color is out of fashion. This color is out of fashion.
Please subscribe us and don't forget like and comment. Thanks for watching.